Most people spend years trying to change their financial situation with zero results. They jump from side hustle to side hustle, course to course, constantly chasing the next big thing. But here's what's crazy. The difference between struggling and success often comes down to the following 10 simple steps most people never will take. Step 1. Decide what you actually want your money life to look like, specific numbers, lifestyle goals, and timeframes. Step number 2, track where every dollar goes for 1 month. No judgment, just awareness of your spending patterns. Step 3, create one income stream outside your main job, even if it's tiny at first, could be selling skills, digital products, or services. Step 4, eliminate one unnecessary subscription or expense each month, redirecting that money to savings or investments. Step 5, spend 1 hour daily learning about money or AI tools that could complement your skills and could boost your earning potential. Step 6, spend 1 hour per day learning how to make money online and try one of those opportunities for 6 months. Step 7, automate your savings so you never see that money hit your checking account. What you don't see, you won't spend. Step 8, practice saying no to impulse purchases for 48 hours. Most urgents fade when you wait. Step 9, find one mentor or role model who has the financial life you want. Study their habits and decisions. Step 10, review your progress weekly, celebrating wins and adjusting your approach based on what's working. The magic isn't in knowing these steps, it's in actually doing them consistently when no one's watching and when motivation fades. Most people will listen to this and nod in agreement without changing a thing in their daily habits. But what would your life look like 1 year from now if you actually implemented these 10 steps? You already have everything you need to start right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. The question isn't can you do it, it's will you do it?